OXIVIR TB is a healthcare one-step disinfectant cleaner that's tough on pathogens, yet responsible enough for use around people. OXIVIR TB does its job in just 1 minute, taking out the viruses, bacteria, and other problem pathogens. Fast 1-minute action means OXIVIR finishes the job before it dries, unlike some disinfectants. The secret of OXIVIR's speedy action is AHP, Accelerated Hydrogen Peroxide. It lifts and destroys pathogens, then it breaks down into oxygen and water, so it's the sustainable choice. OXIVIR is convenient too. Disposable wipes are ideal for high-touch surfaces and shared equipment everywhere in the room. Wipes are available in 3 sizes. One is ideal for every location. OXIVIR TB large wipes are perfect for environmental surfaces and speed up disinfection of larger areas. They improve turnover speeds for patient and operating rooms and emergency departments. OXIVIR TB is available in a convenient, ready-to-use spray too. It's good for hard surfaces, but where it really shines is sanitizing soft surfaces where pathogens are lurking. OXIVIR is such a great choice, it totally meets the CDC's 5 criteria for the ideal disinfectant. While personal protection equipment is always a good idea for cleaning personnel, OXIVIR wipes can be used by everyone. In healthcare settings, visitors, medical staff, and even patients can just give a wipe to help eliminate pathogens. OXIVIR TB wipes have demonstrated reduction of key HAIs such as C. diff, MRSA, and VRE by more than 20%. OXIVIR TB is a one-step, 1-minute cleaning and disinfection solution, and its responsible, sustainable side make it the perfect choice everywhere people-friendly germ control is a good idea. It's not just for healthcare, but effective for offices and schools to keep staff and students in attendance, as well as anywhere pathogens may be cruising. So students, workers, and visitors are healthy, productive, and happy. OXIVIR TB. Fast, effective, responsible, sustainable.